he sing like, I asked him, you know how to sing? Yeah. Can you sing for me? And he sing. No? So these are the things that I cannot forget to Mr. Sudip. No? So he's leaving now because he will get married again.
You make vlog,
I mean,
you always
he will
like
get
this.
in touch with the
Like
family,
this.
will take care of his mom. No? So thank you so much Sudip for everything, and I hope to see you again. Maybe not in this place, maybe in different place. No? And always remember that your family in backyard will always miss you. Yeah? You know, there's a time that people come and people go, no? So it's time for you to go. And I do believe that you already decided to leave and to enjoy with your family and to your wife, no? So I pray, I'm not wishing for you, but I'm praying for you that you will fulfill your dreams in life. And thank you for everything. And sorry if sometimes I shout, no? Sometimes if I get mad, but I do believe that you guys understand. And you're a good man, no? If you will follow your heart, you will follow your will and with action, you can do it. So whatever you learn, you will grab it, and whatever you see that is not good in the restaurant, keep it as a lesson for you. Yeah? And good luck with everything. Okay? Anyone want to say something? Yes, is that Rahul?
It was really a wonderful journey. Last time once I worked with Daddy and one of my favorite team member, he's just my brother. Very friendly nature, very good behavior, and always smiling, always have a very cool attitude. He's very good. You should keep this always for your long run. In future, you should have something to tell you. And yeah, this is the way you should carry on. Best of luck for your future forward career. That's all I can say.
Thank you for how many years? 2 years. And yeah, this is the life is like your journey. So enjoy. There's so many people or so many companies. Maybe you work for the future. You apply your work and always see the car BMW. No? Never forget the turns, huh? There you go.
In the beginning, so I'm really happy to be with you. Especially your pronunciation of some of the words. That's amazing. So good luck. Just keep in touch and exercise to make it bigla more.
How can you say like that? Okay,
I'm glad to thank him because when I came first time in the Kuwait, he helped me so many things and so many ways. So it is I will never forget the things what he did for me. So I'm very sad though. When I came New Year, he helped me like cooking. Very thankful. I'm always, I will pray to him to God bless you, always be happy in your life, and I will wish you all the best for your future. Thank you, Sudip. You are very kind.
I love you.
I love you.
Kawar?
Cherry tomato.
Finally, you will keep this.
Sudip is a good man. He's helped me always.
It's
Something.
not me.
This be something reading also. Sometimes I want to ask something. He will help me always. But sometimes fighting like this or color. Okay. Good luck, Sudip. Bye.
Don't cry, man.
Solta.
Don't
cry, don't cry.
Good luck. Bye, my wife. Okay.
Baiso, thanks a lot for helping our team, our colleagues in the kitchen. I hope someday in your next journey, keep fighting. I love you, bye. Don't cry, huh? I give you a salted caramel later.
Irene?
Me. Sudeep, as being part here in Backyard Restaurant, I know you are so very good colleague here, and you are so honest, and you are so very sweet colleague here in all in Backyard. Thank you for being a good person for with us, and thank you so much that you are part of this our team. Good luck to your new journey, Sudeep, and enjoy life. That's it. Thank you so much, Sudeep. We will miss you. Thank you so much.
Love you.
Love you.
Tipo?
Yeah, I want to say something for my own language to be.
Yes, please, please.
Yes. ओके शुदीप भाई, अब जितना दिन बीते रहा है हमारा साथ बहुत अच्छा से रहा है, लेकिन मैं आपको जो एडवाइस जो पुश करना चाहता हूँ, आगे से आपका जो कोई भी डिसीजन लो अपने दिल से लो, घर जाके कोई भी अपना जो फ्यूचर के लिए आप डिसीजन करो अपने दिल से करो, बस जो आपको अच्छा लगता है वही करो, बस किसी का बात मत सुनो, आपका दिल का सुनो, बस यही आपका गुड लक फॉर योर फ्यूचर.
These guys have secret, that's why they're talking.
We don't understand.
Secret.
Okay, okay.
We don't understand, Dipo. Can you translate in English?
Rahul can translate.
Okay, these two Nepali guys also here, Mr. Raj and Mr. I don't know why you both of you last, maybe
There's something special.
there's something special. Okay, Raj?
Yeah. First of all, thank you very much for working with us. 7.5 years. He's always good guy. He will be good also. And like after the restaurant, after the work, he is also helping me to recording video, capturing photos, everything.
TikTok.
Yeah, TikTok, everything. Behind the camera, yeah. He's always helping here and there. Thank you for everything.
Hi, Kumar.
Be happy always. That whenever you go, just be happy and keep fighting, keep rocking.
Keep rocking, huh?
Yes.
I love you.
I love you.
I miss you. I miss you also.
Of course, I miss you. I love you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Haris is almost crying now.
Don't cry, man. How come?
Haris, Haris.
Haris. Batch, no? Yeah, same there. You don't know, we feel what they feel, not these two guys, because the same nationality. And it's a midst of pandemic. Hey, both of you, can you one? We'll go come here. Come here, I'll distract with you both of you. Your Polish get jealous now.
How come? I'm here,
Okay.
man.
So, I feel something also with these two guys because, in the midst of pandemic, one will go and the rest is still here. No? But this is the story of life, We need to, some people go and some people will come. And all of us will live someday, right? Nobody will stay here forever. It happens only that today we want to live. And anyway, we will support you in any cases. What I can do for you only is to follow up always your paper. It's already finished. Once everything is done, I can assure you that in 24 hours you will leave. And on behalf of the management is so happy and so glad that you are part of this team. And it happens that it's a transition of the management. So on behalf of the management, I am asking for an apology because you stuck for 2 weeks, which is supposed to be you are already with your wife right now, drinking champagne. So, but this is the way, there's a purpose for everything. All of us is delayed, all of us is not went home because of what happened, what is happening until this time. So, we cannot do anything, and I don't know that you will come today, supposed to be prepare something. Yep. But just accept one of our guests. Do you have something in the elevator? I think, can you bring it up before we will give the 3 kilos
Cake. Mozzarella.
3 kilos gold here inside.
Okay, good. Oh.
Of
Perfect by
Wow.
this cake, so this will symbolize your journey in Kuwait. You know, sometimes brown, sometimes sandstorm.
That's why, because this one has sandstorm.
It's 3 plates, guys. Okay.
Happy birthday,
Symbolize the
Sudip.
backyard company. Sometimes there is rough way, but the most important is you're already here, no, on the top. They cannot see you there because same height. Huh? And this is for you, Sudip. Every time you will see us, every time you see that one, you remember your family here. But, you worked
Backyard.
before, or you worked with. Huh?
Take picture.
Okay. Open it for you. No, that's for you.
This side is good with the surgery.
Okay.
Smell.
Smile.
Cry, cry, Sudip, cry.
Smile. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, and hold also with your one of your hand, this one, no?
Where's the candle? Candle. Candle, Karan. Yes, candle. And blow the candle.
Why don't cry? Why smile?
1, 2.
Don't cry.
I want the photo is finished already, Karan.
Karan, make it fast, lighter.
Really.
So you open now your gift. This coming from all of them, huh?
Maganda, silver.
Sure, please. Let's hear. I'm so sorry. Let's hear something for Sudip.
Yeah.
What he want to say?
So just blow the candle first.
No, he will finish that one before he will blow.
Oh,
Exactly that one.
mountain, man.
Okay, once this is already melted everything.
It is
that's
Mount
the time you will
Everest.
start. Okay, now, guys, listen to Mr. Sudip.
Okay, first of all, I want to say thank you for this company, one part of the Packet Restaurants, and I want to say thank you for Sir Jarif and Sir Raj and Dean Sir and Madam Irene and Rahul, Deepu, Arnold, Harish, Kiran,
You memorize
Paul,
the name?
and Kumar. Everybody, I want to say thank you for all
Oh,
of
what
you.
for?
So you are the one giving to me few minutes for the giving to me for the communication with each other, and when I leaving. So I'm so happy. I'm so sad because I'm leaving soon, because all of you with me together working since 2018 to now, until now 2020. So I'm so so sad to say something, but
Take the
I'm
memory
sure.
of backyard along with you in the airplane.
Yeah, of course.
When you go to Nepal, yeah?
anywhere I can go, I miss all everybody.
Yes.
Every
Okay.
time.
So we can
Happy birthday.
open your gift so that you
Open,
can
open.
now. Once you put, you can go down there and take a bath. Same flow, that's it. Wow.
Perfect timing, huh? Perfect. Hold on, huh?
It's like what?
so that there is a timer, no? The camera? Kaya put it there. Okay,
Camera, your camera. Because this one video. Your camera.
Okay guys, come here at the back of Sudip.
Gawan.
Sit down, sit down. Sit down. Who want to sit down here next time?
Against the light.
Again, right, boy? Dito na yung siguro. Yeah, that side.
It's against the light.
Let's smile. Okay. Waki. Last.
Sunada.
Let's hold on. Sleep. Let's hold on. Okay. So, guys,
Sulit boy.
Hi guys! Farewell party po ng ano namin. Farewell party ng ano ang pagsalita? Guys, farewell party po ng colleague namin. So, ngayon meron kaming celebration ngayon for a farewell party.
Beauty ada. Dia beauty.
Ano, nagpicture. Sarap naman ang cake na to.
Ha?
Sarap siguro.
Mount Everest cake yan?
This is Mount Everest cake, guys.
Kake.
Very creative, no?
Pangbrasa ka pa ito mga.
Nakita ko lang yan sa ano ko, sa locker. Sabi ni Reds, okay na raw. Tingin ko.
Sakto yung favorite niya daw yung blue eh.
Nakasarap pa ng blue siya.